Tempering techniques, unlocking flavors with Tadka, South Asian cuisine. What if the secret to unforgettable flavor was hidden in a sizzling spoonful of oil? Welcome to the world of Tadka, the South Asian culinary art of tempering spices, a small yet explosive step that transforms ordinary dishes into aromatic masterpieces. If you've ever been captivated by the rich, earthy scent that wafts from a perfectly seasoned Indian curry or dal, you've already met Tadka without knowing it. Tempering, or Tadka, also known as shonk or bagar, is the process of heating oil or ghee and adding whole spices, herbs, and aromatics until they crackle, release their essential oils, and infuse the fat with flavor. This infused oil is then either poured over or stirred into a dish, acting as a flavor bomb that elevates everything it touches. The beauty of Tadka lies in its simplicity and adaptability. The basic ingredients often include cumin seeds, mustard seeds, dried red chilies, curry leaves, garlic, and asafoetida, hing. But the combinations are endless, depending on regional tastes and the dish at hand. In the south of India, you'll often find Tadka featuring mustard seeds, curry leaves, and urad dal. In northern recipes, cumin, fenugreek, and green chilies take the lead. One of the most iconic uses of Tadka is in dal tadka, a staple lentil dish where tempered spices are poured over cooked lentils just before serving. The moment the sizzling oil meets the hot dal, it releases a mouth-watering aroma that signals comfort and depth of flavor. But Tadka isn't just for dals, it enhances vegetable stir-fries, raitas, chutneys, and even soups. To get it right, timing and temperature are everything. Overheat the oil and you'll burn the spices, turning them bitter. Add ingredients in the wrong order and you'll miss the layered effect that makes Tadka so magical. The trick is to have everything ready before you begin. Tadka waits for no one. Want to go even further? Experiment with ghee for a nutty depth, or neutral oils like sunflower or canola to let the spices shine. You can even prepare Tadka in advance and store it refrigerated in a jar for up to a week, ready to enliven any dish in seconds. Tadka isn't just a cooking step, it's a culinary ritual, a moment of transformation. So, are you ready to ignite your dishes with a spark of authentic South Asian flavor?